Constructing the doors in the warmth of your garage or on a hard flat surface is easier than trying to perform the operation on site. Each door is made up of 2 legs and 3 cross pieces of the same timber. The door legs are pre-drilled with 3 holes. 2 holes 2.5 centimeters from each end and a further hole offset between the 2. Place a 3-inch screw in each hole and line up the cross pieces centrally with this hole. When you are happy with the alignment, screw them into place. At each corner across the joint on one side of the door, nail a metal plate using the twisted nails, and one across each of the centre joints. Having made your door, on either side place a door post. Each door post will have a 6mm pre-drilled hole in one side, approximately 28 centimeters from one end. Use one of the hinges at the end of the door as a spacer between one of the door posts and the door. The upper section of the door is the smaller of the rectangles, and this is the one that we're covered with net. The door top timber should be then cut to fit between the 2 door posts. This timber should line up centrally with the 6mm pre-drilled holes in the door posts. When you are happy with the alignment of the door top, nail in position through the 2 holes using a 6-inch nail. Nail a batten across the door posts. This keeps the base of the door post at a constant width. The bottom of the door post, including the batten, will then be buried in a trench at each end of the polytunnel up to the bottom of the inner door. The joint on the door top lintel to the door post can now be reinforced through the use of a nail plate on each side of the joint. Screw the hinges in place, making sure there is at least a 4mm gap between the door top and the lintel. Before fitting the hinges, decide which door post to use, as this will dictate the way your door will open, bearing in mind that the doors are designed to open inwards. The hinges have been supplied to allow you to lift the door off. The half hinge on the door must sit on top of the hinge fitted to the door frame. Use the 3-inch nail as a central pin of the hinge, with the head of the nail at the top.